So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can share your Threads profile link on Instagram story. So for sharing your Threads profile link, you have to first of all go to the Threads app, and after that open your profile by tapping on the profile button in the bottom right corner of your screen. And after that, next to the option edit profile, you get the option share profile. So tap on share profile, and after that scroll down, and here you get the option copy. So tap on copy, and after that you have to go back and open the Instagram app from here. So after opening Instagram, you have to tap this profile button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and after that again tap on this plus button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on plus, and here you get the option story. So tap on story, and next press the create button available here. So next you have to go into this stickers button available. So open stickers, and here if you scroll down, you get the option of link. So tap on link, and here just paste the link of your Threads profile that you have just copied. And after that, you can also customize sticker text that you want to appear on this sticker. For example, I can write here my Threads profile, and just press the done button. And here this link has been added, and when you post this story now and someone watches this story and tap on this sticker here, he or she will be redirected to your Threads profile. So that's how you do it. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. Now if you want to know that how you can share a thread on Instagram story or somewhere else, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.